Alright, g'day guys. We're working on a desert air dehumidifier on the drivetrain assembly today. When I was out here the other day, I found this belt was pretty scored here. You can see it's not a perfect V-belt there. It's got the lines running down the side of it. So what that told me is either the upper or lower pulley or variable pitch pulley down here was worn out. This should be a perfect V shape. You can see there if I look from above. The new one's a perfect V. The old one has a big score in it. It's almost wallowed out. If you look at that from the side, you can see how wallowed out that is. That's going to chew up the belt pretty bad. After I got that put on, I put it back together. I loosened up the motor. There's 4 screws, top and bottom. Okay. And then this one has an actual adjusting plate. So I put my drive on there, and as I screw this, it actually moves the whole motor up and down for tension on the belt. Brand new AX50 V-belt here. And then what I want to do is I want to square it up. So I want my belt to be exactly square. You can see the motor's kind of tilting slightly, so you know we can adjust the back side before we do our screws up to get everything nice and square and straight there. Then we want to look for 2 fingers of deflection on the belt. So come to the middle of the belt, 2 fingers from the side, push in, and you want to be able to push that belt in about 2 fingers depth, okay? That's a good tension there. If we wanted to speed it up or slow it down, we could open this variable pitch pulley, pull the belt off, loosen off the grub screw there, and I'll be able to adjust this. Obviously, the closer in we get, the further on the outside the belt will run, and the higher the amp draw will be on this motor. The more I open this up, the slower the belt will run, and the lower the amp draw on this motor. We can see here a full load amps of 4.6 to 5 with a safety factor of 1.15. That's our safety factor, the SF. So we can go up to 4.8 to 5.4. We don't really want to push that upper limit though. That would be full speed on this blower motor, okay? Too much tension will tear up the bearings. So yeah, there you go. I'll get this thing all tightened back up, check my amp draws, and get it running.